Watches can be inspired by anything, from divers to aviation to even clown faces. But today I'm going to be talking about not Indian watches but watches inspired by India or a part of Indian culture. I'm gonna start with one of my favorite ones by Swatch. This watch, which retails for 8,200, I just love the colors on this watch and the fact that it looks so unique. Are you kidding me? I've never seen a watch strap like this ever before. All the 3D details are so beautiful, including the little bell there. आई मीन दिख रहा है कि ये इंडिया से इंस्पायर्ड है क्योंकि गोल्ड कलर का यूज, इतने सारे फ्लोरल मोटिव्स, द काउ विच इज सेक्रेड टू इंडिया. Of course, it's inspired by India. Moving on to a conversation starter watch in India, inspired by India, Amchi Mumbai by Kalaksh. You can see the scene from DDLJ, the very iconic scene. Here, Raj marks the hours and Simran moves with the minutes. Along with it, on the dial, you can see the famous Sea Link Bridge of Mumbai. The Amchi Mumbai watch retails for 4,000. This is perfect if you want a watch to outright say, I am in love with Mumbai. I appreciate everything about it because no one would miss this watch. Next, one of the most talked about micro brands right now in India is the Delhi Watch Company. They have many watches inspired by India or different components of India, like this one, which is the DWC Havelock, which is named after the beautiful islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this watch was tested by divers, so of course it's a diving watch. It retails for 9,000 but currently it is out of stock. Personally, if I am talking about watches inspired by India, I love the Devanagari font on watches. I think it looks very unique and something that will definitely catch your eye. So this one, the DWC Heritage, is a good option. It retails for 8,000 and the dial is extremely beautiful. The metallic finish is awesome. It is a double layered dial with contrasting brushstrokes, sunburst effect, which I love. And how can you miss the numerals? You can get both the Arabic and Devanagari numerals, but personally I just prefer the Devanagari one so much more. Another one I'd like to mention is this, the DWC Vayu, and you can read this whole article about what is the inspiration behind this watch, which I definitely recommend you read. It mentions so much about so many important things and it is just beautiful knowing where this watch comes from. I would love to own this just because of how much thinking has gone into making this watch. Moving on, Casio also made a G-Shock completely inspired by India in collaboration with a graffiti artist called Moose, and this is the Shock OK Please G-Shock. If you cannot already tell, this is inspired by the iconic trucks that you see on highways. Everything from the motifs to the fonts used to the colors is all inspired by trucks. The tiger, which is the guardian of the highway, symbolizes power and untamed energy, embodying G-Shock's fearless spirit. The Shock OK Please playfully reinterprets an iconic truck art expression and nods to the brand's legendary shock-resistant technology. और सबसे ज़्यादा special बात about this G-Shock is that आप इसको online नहीं खरीद सकते. You cannot even get this online in India. If you want this watch, you need to go to the G-Shock exclusive store in Delhi. That is the only place where it is available and it is a limited edition G-Shock. Moving on to Jaipur Watch Company, which if you do not know, I totally recommend कि बस आप website पे जाओ और उनके सारे collections देखो. You will not even realize where the time has gone by क्योंकि वो watches इतनी ज़्यादा सुंदर हैं. They are so beautiful. And genuinely, I have just sat and scrolled through their website so many times just looking at these watches and admiring them. Because, like, what a crazy idea and what amazing execution. Let me just tell you about them now. So, first, I would like to talk about what I think is the coolest, their coin watches. As you can see here, the dials have coins. And yes, these are not prints or engravements or anything. These are actual coins which were issued long time ago. So that is why one of the reason it is so expensive is because all of these are limited. There are only a limited number of these. This company is not making fake coins or anything. They're using the real issued coins, so they are just limited in number. And other than that, the movements that they use and the quality also adds so much to the price point. But it is definitely worth having this watch. If you're looking to invest in an expensive watch, please go for this, because this is a watch जिसकी वैल्यू सिर्फ टाइम के साथ बढ़ेगी ही. Because this is like a collector's item. This is not just a random watch with a random dial. No, this is a piece of history. Literally a piece of history that you're wearing on your wrist. So yes, as you can see here, absolutely beautiful dials. I'm so in love with them. And I really like how even the lugs are not the same old lugs. I don't know why, but to me they add this sense of royalty to the watch, which I absolutely love. And then other than that, the way the numerals are displayed, every last bit, every little detail is spectacular. It adds so much to the watch. And I just don't know what to say. I would love to own one of these someday. Like, this is my dream. One of my dream watches now, after the Omega Snoopy, this is the Pice collection. So this is pretty similar to the last one. Again, these are our originals which are used, no fakes, no copies. और उसी की तरह ये हैं जिसमें एक आने का सिक्का है, और ऐसी ही बहुत सारी है, जैसे ये वाली where you see these stamps. And again, just like the coins, these stamps are completely real. They're not fakes or anything. सच में just sit and scroll through these watches. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपका मन नहीं करेगा to buy one of these. There is no way. Moving on to the Bangalore Watch Company, this is even more expensive than the Jaipur Watch Company. But as shown on their website, every watch collection tells a story inspired by 21st century India. And the first collection I would like to talk about is the Apogee collection. So here, this is the first Indian watch tested and qualified for outer space, which is a big deal. The thing is, in outer space, almost everything changes. There are so many temperature fluctuations with like extreme temperatures. There is sometimes radiation, change in atmospheric pressure, change in gravity and whatnot. And a watch needs spring balance, gears, and a lot many things which require gravity and all, so the accuracy can really go for a toss in space. तो बहुत बड़ी बात है if a watch can perform in space, and this watch can. You can just look at the price and tell that yes, these are like luxury watches, but all of these have a Swiss automatic movement, which is one of the best. But other than that, the fact that they can survive in outer space and they are tested for that means they are of excellent quality. Moving on to the next collection, Cover Drive, which is a watch collection that celebrates Indian cricket. और ये जो सारे नए colors हैं, all of these are inspired by like jerseys. And I personally like this one, which is called The Pitch. There are so many cricket details, like the 12-hour marker is shaped like the wicket. 4 and 6 are cut out to signal the boundary shots. And of course, वो second hand का end part looks like a bat. The bezel itself is unidirectional rotating bezel, and what it can do is that it tracks the overs in a 50 overs or a T20 game. And also the case back itself features a batsman. The next collection is the Mach 1 collection, which are bold pilot watches that celebrate stories from Indian aviation. So of course all of these are aviation style watches. The red minute hand is one that you will see on planes and helicopters, which shows airspeed. Also another thing, I totally recommend कि आप websites पे जाओ और इन watches की सारी details पढ़ो, क्योंकि the Bangalore Watch Company does an excellent job at describing every little detail about their watch. इसकी वजह से I am able to say all of this because ये सब उनकी website पे है. Everything from even the bezel to the dial to the color of the dial and the back story of the watch, every single watch is mentioned right on their website. So yes, definitely go read it. But I think one of the coolest collections is this, the Meteorite watches. So the dials in these watches are made of a 4.5 billion year old meteorite. And so each dial is unique, that is not reproducible on Earth. तो ये जो पैटर्न दिख रहा है ये रेप्लिकेट नहीं हो सकता है अर्थ पे. एंड लास्टली, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वॉचेस इंस्पायर्ड बाय इंडिया, हाउ कैन यू नॉट टॉक अबाउट HMT, which was like the timekeepers of India at one point. but now you can really get HMT watches which are certified and proper HMT watches. There are some on their website still, but I don't know if people order and if they actually do get their watches or not. But yes, of course, talking about India, how can you not mention HMT? I really wish the brand would make a comeback, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा popularity है HMT की और बहुत बहुत सारे लोगों को HMT चाहिए. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.